This example comes out of lesson 1.1, Imperial Measures of Length. And so we're starting with, it's 173 inches around a large framed picture, 173 inches. And the first part of the question asks us to convert that to feet in inches. In the same way I would say I'm 5'10" rather than saying I'm 70 inches tall. So the question is, how do I change 173 inches into feet in inches? And then if frame material costs $3.52 a foot and is sold by the foot, what will it cost to frame this great big picture? The technique I want to show you is called unit analysis. You may have used this a little bit in science. I'm going to try to get rid of inches and end up with feet. So I'm going to look at my formula sheet and say, well, how many feet are in an inch, or how many inches are in a foot? And I'm going to set it up this way. And you probably know this one off by heart, that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And the reason why I put 1 foot over 12 inches is because I'm hoping to cancel out inches and end up with feet as my unit. So 173 times 1 divided by 12, or in other words, just 173 divided by 12, gives me 14.416666666 feet. So we know it's 14 feet something inches. But if you ask somebody how long something is and they say 14.41666 feet, you're going to look at them a little weird, because that in imperial measurements is not usually how they're given. They're given as 14 feet, how many inches? So take the 14 off of that if you've got that number on your calculator, and just take the 0.4166666 and go the other way around. Let's go from feet into inches. And to do that, we use the exact same conversion factor, except for we want this time to cancel out feet and end up with inches. So we say 0.4166666 times 12 divided by 1. The feet cancel each other out, and you end up with exactly 5 inches. If you haven't rounded, you don't have to round at the end. And so the answer to this question is that this picture frame is 14 feet 5 inches. Takes a little bit of practice, but that unit analysis is going to be worth its weight in gold if you take any other math or science courses in your life, which I'm assuming you plan to. Now to answer the second question, which was, if frame material is $3.52 $3.52 per foot, I guess would be the easy way to say that, how much am I going to pay to frame this thing? The key here is that it said in the question, sold by the foot. So we can't buy 14 feet 5 inches. We actually have to buy all 15 feet. So again, the unit analysis works. I say, okay, well, it's this many dollars per foot. If I've got feet on the bottom and on the top, the feet cancel out. And I end up spending $52.80 to frame the picture. I'll have 7 inches of material left over, but if it's sold by the foot, I had to buy all 15 feet.